Hi everyone, it's Ian here from Verne Industries. May I share with you a new creation today? This is the Flutterlight. Made with the finest materials from the four corners of the empire. The wings are made of copper. It has a beautiful chrome ring and a copper ring that runs around there. Pop the two screws out of the side and the battery sits in the back. The battery is a 9-volt smoke alarm battery available at most stores. It's switched on and off with the toggle switch on the back. The size is 70mm deep, 60mm wide and 80mm tall. That doesn't include the strap, but the best part is when it goes dark and the lights go out. The butterflies shine through all the different colours of the rainbow. Ideal for a party, an event, or just wear around the house if you feel glamorous. This lovely Flutterlight can be bought from my website www.verneindustries.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye.